Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going never once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier.
This is the spot that I will go for fishing for my last day here. It is going to be a long and bit tough walk to get there. Now I'm on the most challenging course. There are already more than 10 people here. This must be a popular fishing spot, I guess. Today, I'm trying to catch Spanish mackerel. The sea was very silent, so I switched it to webfoot octopus fishing. While I'm waiting for high tide, I was able to catch two. Something came into my sight. A bunch of mussels were stuck on the rocks. I thought they are big enough to eat, so I began to collect them. Maybe I can put them into a soup and mussels will add more flavor to the soup. And some seaweed would be nice too. Now it is high tide. I thought I can have a better chance for catch. I skimmed through the bottom and something hit the rule. It was brown rockfish, but that was the only fish I could catch. So I'm wrapping up and going back. The day was pretty warm, like spring day. Cherry blossom trees produced its flowers, but it is not the right season. We still have like 6 months for cherry blossom. Maybe weather is too unpredictable these days that even nature gets confused. They are my collection today. There was not many fish today, but I think I had enough to eat. So what should I make? Let us see. The menu today is called Jjam-Pong, which means spicy seafood noodle. It is very simple to cook. It was so tasty, so I put rice after I finished the noodle. My 3 days of trip to Gunsan came to an end. Did you enjoy the trip with me? If you can have a chance to visit Korea, where would you like to go? Please have an expectation of my next trip, and thank you for watching.